If you're on the fence and you're thinking like you don't know if you're going to be able to do a sport on top of all your academics, I would say just go for it. For me, it's all about just making the most of my time. And when I'm at practice, that's what I focus on. And then whatever time I have throughout the day that I can set aside for schoolwork, that's what I really need to focus on. I think having practice actually helps me in a way because it gives me more structure to my day. So it's just teaching me how to manage my time well and how to make time for things like academics or work in the future, but also still make time for doing things that are going to keep me healthy and staying fit and exercising.